We're here at the Graphic Whizard stand, and Mike is going to help us with a video demonstration here. What we're using is a Creasemaster Plus to do the impact score. We're going into our conveying system and then into the brand new, just released at this show, knife folder, which right now is doing a fold in half for book cover. You can see quite a good rate of speed. What speed would you say we're going at, Mike?
We're probably running about 2,500 sheets an hour right now. 2,500
sheets an hour. Very good. Now, one of the neat things about this piece of equipment is the automation with regard to setup. So the next thing Mike's going to do here is show us how we first of all input the size of the sheet that we're running, and then we're also going to do a changeover to make this into a letter fold, just to give you a feel for how this process works.
Okay, sure, no problem. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to stop our job, and we are going to set up a new job. And this is where we are going to input the paper size.
Okay.
Automatically.
So exactly. So the neat thing about this machine is that rather than having to get out a ruler and then input the data, the machine is now doing a sampling of the overall length of the piece of paper. As you see it coming out of the top of the device, we now know that it is not just 429 millimeters, but 429.5 millimeters. So the likelihood that that first fold is going to be perfect is much improved versus having an operator simply looking at a ruler.
We're now going to choose the style of fold.
Okay, so what are the different choices we've got? Let's just go through that.
We have a half fold, a double parallel fold, a letter fold, fan fold, and there's a couple of other choices there as well.
Very good. So a lot of versatility in that area. Which one do you want to choose?
The letter fold.
We'll do a letter fold, okay.
And then we are going to choose the weight of paper that we are folding so that it can make adjustments automatically for the different weight of paper.
Wow.
Okay. It tells us that it's made those adjustments.
That was fast too. It really reacts quickly.
Now we're going to go to our creaser. We're going to choose our fan fold for the, or a letter fold for the creasing.
A 17-inch Z fold, right?
Okay, here we go.
Very good. As they like to say, a wise man measures twice and cuts once. And I think that's what's going on here. Let's just make sure we hit, yep, got everything going. All right. And there we go. Let's just fold that out and take a peek. Very good, very good. So, what we've seen today is a very quick demonstration of the changeover from one size to the next, and then also, of course, the release of our new knife folding device. The idea behind the knife fold, by the way, is primarily to not cause as much damage to the sheet.
That's correct.
Because of being digital?
That's correct, yes.
Okay.
It's going to cause a lot less damage rather than going through a buckle plate like a traditional folder.
Gotcha. So, much softer touch to the sheet throughout. So.
Yes, doing a lot less damage to the toner.
Very good. So the machine is available within. Pardon me. It's two knives.
Two knives, right? Yes, there is 2 knives.
So, John, there's some things about this maybe that I should point out.
Just the double knife system. So one knife, I believe another machine uses a one knife system where it's kind of cantilevering the knife from here down to here.
Oh, okay.
This is
two separate knives. Okay, I see. Now the spiral effect to the rollers.
Yes, small style rollers.
Okay. So much more forgiving on digital, but they get a good grip. And also, we've done UV coating, they're able to grip that kind of a sheet also.
Correct. Or if it's done on offset, those ridges will funnel the offset spray off of the surface of the roller.
Oh, I see. Gotcha, yeah, that makes a lot of sense. Now another thing I would like to point out is that this is a totally independent piece of equipment from this piece of equipment. So for example, our end users who already perhaps have a Graphic Whizard device would be able to add this and go to the next level versus just having to trade in your equipment or buy a whole new machine that has both the channel score and fold, which is going to open a lot of really good opportunities for our customers to upgrade from existing legacy equipment they might have bought 5 or 10 years ago even. We could also put this in line with our Arrow Cut, which we also sell, and then we have some other new equipment that's coming out through Graphic Whizard that will dovetail very nicely with this machine. So, thank you very much for listening, and please call Graphco if you're interested in this equipment.